Welcome, today I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Power Key into a Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV. First of all, open Settings and scroll down to the bottom and go into System option. Here go into Gangsters and now choose Power Menu option. And now this option holds for Assistant. It's activate your Google Assistant option to Power Key. So let's try press and hold. Here we got information that Power Menu is volume up and plus Power Key. So okay. And how you can see, we activate our Google Assistant. So for disable this option, need tapping on the switcher and we disable this option. Let's try. Here we got Power Menu. So this position like gray, it's disable this option, and this like blue or green, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.